Supply chain management is all about how do we purchase, how do we transport, how do we take those materials into an organization, make them better, faster, more efficient, and how do we take and deliver those products to the end customer.
It's a very big world, and to be able to figure out how everything in the world moves and interconnects, it gives you a lot of possibilities of where to go with that. I started at Miller about 15 years ago as a coil winder, and then I transitioned into a material handler role. It was at that point that if I wanted to continue on in my career, then I would need to further my education.
The goal of our associate degree program is to set students up to get them ready to start an entry-level or a mid-level position in supply chain.
I'm doing my schooling all online, so it gives me the flexibility to do the classes when I have time and when I have the availability to, because I also am a father of 3 kids that I'm very engaged with. Everything actually that I'm been learning, I get to apply into my daily work. It's really kind of fun where I learn something new and then I just immediately come in on the next day and be like, I'm gonna try that out.
When I first started school at FETC, I also started as an intern at a different company. That was something that I think was really, really helpful and beneficial to me to be able to kind of connect the dots as I was going to school, learning principles, terminology, all that kind of thing, and just connecting it to what I was doing on a day-to-day basis. The importance of relationship management, so whether that be with suppliers, customers, or even internal departments, I really started to understand how important that was to build strong relationships in the field. Getting a degree definitely helped me in terms of understanding, terminology, principles, processes, all that kind of thing, and just helped with credibility overall before going into the workforce.
I've been on the advisory committee probably 2 years or so, and it's been a very successful program. I really enjoy Lexus's the broadness of supply chain understanding, and even though she's maybe even months into her career at FAE, she's been a high contributor, and I think that's a lot to do with her background and her education.
Anyone that is considering the supply chain management curriculum here at Fox Valley Tech is a good option. If you're excited in how to get things done, how to change things, how to work with people, this is a really great opportunity for students to really learn more and add value to their organizations.